I knew you were doing that. You'll be texting.
What are we learning? Teacher Jackie Abbins.
Turn the camera off.
Hey, Jackie Abbins.
Eating.
Hey, what are we learning today?
We're learning that people should not exploit other people with their phone camera. With their what?
Phone camera.
Video camera for us.
Why? She's just blow drying her hair.
All I'm doing is walking around.
You were going to teach us something about the Bible.
Yeah, but you weren't supposed to videotape me. It's confidential.
Confidential.
Nobody should know. I'm done.
Oh, Jackie. Alright, I'm done.
Why does the computer just not do what I fucking want it to? Ashley?